Now, let's meet the planets, starting with the Sun. Representing the soul and the vitality, the Sun fuels our identity and purpose of the soul. It's the leader of the cosmic cart, ruling Leo and shining light on our core strengths and ambitions. Next up, the Moon, the guardian of emotions and intuition. The Moon rules our inner world, how we feel, nurture, and connect. Governing Cancer, the Moon reminds us to embrace sensitivity as a strength and trust our instincts in life's journey. Meet Mars, the planet of action and energy. Mars ignites our courage, drive, and passion, pushing us to take bold steps. As the ruler of Aries and Scorpio, it's the cosmic warrior, guiding us through challenges with fearless determination. Here's Mercury, the messenger of the cosmos. Mercury rules communication, intellect, and adaptability. It's the planet that governs how we think, speak, and connect with others. Quick-witted and versatile, Mercury shines in Gemini and Virgo. Say hello to Jupiter, the planet of abundance and wisdom, known as the great benefic. Jupiter expands our minds, brings good fortune, and deepens our spiritual journey. It rules Sagittarius and Pisces, inspiring growth and exploration. Venus, the goddess of love and beauty, adds grace and harmony to our lives. It governs relationships, creativity, and everything we find pleasurable. Venus rules Taurus and Libra, blending sensuality with diplomacy. Now we meet Saturn, the great teacher of the zodiac. Saturn's energy may feel heavy, but it's here to teach us discipline, responsibility, and resilience. Ruling Capricorn and Aquarius, Saturn rewards hard work and long-term effort. Let's get mysterious with Rahu, the North Node. Rahu represents worldly desires, ambitions, and unconventional paths we take to achieve them. Often associated with and obsession, Rahu challenges us to rise above and expand against material distractions. 180-degree opposite is Ketu, the South Node. Ketu symbolizes detachment, spiritual growth, and the wisdom to let go. It's the guiding light towards enlightenment, urging us to release the past karma and connect with the higher realms. Now, let's explore Nakshatras, or lunar mansions, 27 divisions of the zodiac. Each nakshatra offers unique insights into your personality and destiny. They add layers of depth to your chart, acting as a bridge between the cosmic realm and your inner self. Nakshatras are rooted in astronomy, dividing the 360-degree zodiac into 27 equal segments of 13 degrees 20 minutes each. These divisions reflect the moon's journey across the night sky, linking lunar cycles to our emotional and spiritual growth. Each nakshatra has a ruling planet, channelizing specific cosmic vibrations. These planetary energies shape the personality traits and life patterns associated with each lunar mansion, creating a unique tapestry of cosmic vibrations. Let's start with the first nakshatra, Ashwini. Ruled by Ketu, this nakshatra is symbolized by the divine horseman, bringing a pioneering and adventurous energy. Ashwini natives are known for their swiftness, healing abilities, and resourcefulness. Next, we have Bharani, ruled by Venus. This nakshatra represents the cosmic womb, symbolizing the power of creation and transformation. Bharani is known for its determination, responsibility, and the ability to navigate life's challenges with grace. Kritika, ruled by the sun, is symbolized by the divine blade of purification. This nakshatra carries a sharp, ambitious energy, helping you to cut through the obstacles with clarity and discipline. Kritika natives are known for their protective and driven nature. Rohini, ruled by the moon, is one of the most creative and nurturing nakshatras, known for beauty and artistic talent. Rohini natives thrive in environments where they can express their love for pleasures, making them natural nurturers and creators. Mrigshira, ruled by the Mars, is the curious explorer of the zodiac. The nakshatra is all about seeking newer experiences, constantly searching for knowledge and innovation. Its restless energy drives you to think out of box and embrace the unknown. Adra, ruled by Rahu, brings intense and transformative energy. Known for its emotional depth and intellectual strength, Adra is all about breaking through barriers and seeking clarity in chaotic situations. It's the nakshatra of transformation and rebirth. Vastu, ruled by the Jupiter, is a nakshatra of renewal and spiritual growth, symbolized by the return of light after the storm. Vastu brings optimism, nurturing, and a deep connection to spiritual values. It's a reminder that hope always follows challenges. Pushya Nakshatra, ruled by the Saturn, is all about support, tradition, and discipline. The nakshatra emphasizes the importance of family values and serving others with care and structure. It's known for the most auspicious nakshatra for stability and